an old Genoa lawnmower. The double flip handle can go in either direction. Has an old antique Power Products 2-cycle engine, and yes, it does run. We're going to cheat and use a little electric power to get this one started. Yes, a timeless classic, a Genoa lawnmower with a Power Products 2-stroke engine that runs, and surprisingly enough, it actually cuts pretty good. I was kind of surprised at that. You can actually use this for trimming around your yard or as a little conversation piece for your friends when they come over. Hey, don't hesitate, because if you don't buy it now, it will be in someone else's garage and it won't be in yours. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.